Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub. When the sun kisses the earth, the California poppy blooms like liquid gold, turning every corner of your garden into a glowing sea of color. There's a reason the California poppy is called America's golden dream. These delicate yet dazzling flowers, scientifically known as Eschscholzia californica, have painted the hills and valley of the western United States in brilliant shades of orange, yellow, pink, and cream for centuries. They're more than just flowers. They're a living symbol of California's spirit, wild, bright, and free. For beginner gardeners across the USA, the California poppy mix is one of the easiest, most rewarding plants to grow. It thrives in poor soil, laughs at drought, and bursts into color with minimal effort. Whether you're nurturing a tiny balcony pot in New York or a sunny garden in Arizona, this flower can adapt and flourish, asking only for sunlight and space to dance. The beauty of the California poppy mix lies in its diversity. Each mix carries a unique combination of warm hues: sunset orange, lemon yellow, coral pink, snowy white, that blend beautifully together, creating an ever-changing mosaic of nature's brilliance. As the state flower of California, it symbolizes joy, resilience, and the power of simplicity. To grow the California poppy mix successfully, timing and placement are key. These are cool season bloomers that prefer mild weather. In most parts of the United States, the best time to sow seeds is in early spring or fall, depending on your region. In warmer southern states like California, Texas, or Florida, sowing in fall allows them to bloom beautifully by spring. In cooler regions like the Midwest or Northeast, early spring planting after the last frost ensures steady growth. Start by selecting a sunny spot. The California poppy adores the sun. It opens its petals only when bathed in full light and closes them gently as the day cools. Choose a location that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. These flowers are not shade lovers. Their brilliance depends on warmth and light. Soil preparation is simple. Unlike many flowering plants, California poppies prefer poor, well-drained soil. Avoid overly rich or clay, heavy ground, as too much fertility can lead to lush foliage but fewer blooms. Loosen the top few inches of soil, remove weeds, and ensure water drains easily. If needed, mix in a bit of sand or perlite to improve drainage. Sowing the seeds is a delightful and simple process. Scatter them directly over the prepared area. These flowers dislike being transplanted because of their delicate taproots. Sprinkle the seeds lightly, then press them gently into the soil surface using your hand or a light roller. Do not bury them deeply. They need sunlight to germinate. Water the soil gently to keep it moist until seedlings appear. Within 10 to 15 days, you'll notice tiny green sprouts pushing through the soil. Thin the seedlings to about 68 inches apart once they develop their first true leaves. This spacing allows proper air circulation and gives each plant room to flourish. Once established, California poppies are among the most drought-tolerant flowers in American gardens. They require minimal watering, just enough to keep the soil from completely drying out during prolonged heat. Overwatering is a common mistake. Too much moisture can lead to root rot or stunted growth. the best care is often the least intrusive. Let nature guide them. These flowers bloom best when left to thrive in their natural rhythm. They need little fertilizer, if any. In fact, adding rich compost or nitrogen-heavy fertilizer can reduce flowering. If you must feed them, use a very light, balanced, water-soluble fertilizer once during early growth. As the plants mature, their slender stems and feathery gray-green leaves give way to a breathtaking sea of cup-shaped flowers that seem to glow from within. Each bloom lasts only a few days, but new buds open continuously throughout the growing season, keeping your garden in constant motion. Deadheading, or removing faded flowers, encourages new blooms and extends the flowering period. Simply pinch or snip the old blooms to prevent the plant from going to seed too soon. However, if you'd like the flowers to self-seed for next year, let a few mature seed pods dry naturally on the plant. When they split open, they scatter seeds like tiny confetti, ensuring fresh growth next season. The California poppy mix is perfect for wildflower meadows, roadside plantings, rock gardens, or sunny borders. In pots and containers, they add a splash of cheerful color to patios and balconies. Their fine texture and bright hues complement other native plants beautifully, such as lupines, coreopsis, and blanket flowers. Pests rarely bother these hardy flowers. Their natural oils deter many insects, and their strong roots resist disease. However, watch for occasional aphids or snails. A gentle rinse or neem oil spray can manage them easily. During the peak of summer, especially in hot regions, the plants may go dormant, turning gray and retreating. Don't panic, this is nature's rest period. As temperatures cool and days shorten, they return with renewed vigor, ready to bloom again. For gardeners in colder zones, you can collect seeds before winter frost. Store them in a dry, cool place and re-sow in spring. Their self-reseeding habit means that once planted, they often return year after year, naturalizing gracefully in your landscape. The California poppy mix isn't just a plant. It's an experience. It connects you to America's open fields and golden hills, to the legacy of simplicity and natural beauty that defines the West. When you grow these flowers, you grow a piece of the American spirit itself. Their charm lies in their independence. They don't demand attention or care. They simply bloom when conditions are right. For beginners, this is the ideal plant: low effort, high reward, endlessly cheerful. Watching them sway in the breeze feels like watching sunlight made tangible. There's also something deeply emotional about these flowers. The way they open to light and close to darkness mirrors life's balance, reminding us to rest, to rise, and to always reach toward warmth. They teach resilience, patience, and joy in the simplest form. So, whether you're starting your first garden or reviving a forgotten patch of land, plant the California poppy mix. Let their golden blooms cover your ground like sunlight spilled across the soil. They will return your care with beauty that lasts all season, and sometimes for years to come. Let your garden shine with the golden glow of California's most beloved flower, because beauty this effortless deserves a place in every American home. Join our Nature Nurture Hub family. hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and inspiration to help your plants thrive.